When your vehicle's speedometer starts acting up, it can be frustrating and inconvenient. A faulty speed sensor is often the culprit, causing inaccurate readings or erratic behavior. The solution is simple: replacing the sensor with a high-quality direct replacement. This vehicle speed sensor is designed to match the fit and function of the original, ensuring a seamless installation and reliable performance. Whether your sensor has failed due to electrical malfunction or wear and tear, this replacement will restore your vehicle's speedometer functionality. This sensor is built with durable components to withstand the rigors of daily driving, ensuring it lasts for years to come. It's made to perform just as well as the original part, giving you peace of mind that your vehicle's speed measurements will be accurate again. Designed for easy installation, all you need is a basic toolset. Just remove the old sensor, thread the new one into place, tighten it with an open-end wrench. No need to over-tighten, and snap on the connector, and you're done. If you're experiencing issues with your vehicle's speedometer or your old sensor is malfunctioning, this replacement is the ideal solution. With high-quality materials and engineering, it's sure to restore your vehicle's performance to factory standards. Before purchasing, make sure to verify the compatibility with your specific vehicle by inputting your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool. Click the link in the description to buy your new speed sensor today and get your vehicle back to optimal performance.